Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And so today we're going to be introducing the Liberty 4 NC from Soundcore. So if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's go ahead and get our first impressions and first take and look on the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. And I want to give a huge shout out to Soundcore for actually sending out these for review. But let's just go ahead and take a look at what these headphones are going to offer. And so these headphones are going to be introducing the ANC 2.0, which is a brand new technology, which is next generation from the premium audio brand of Anchor. And these earbuds are going to pack that new feature, which is going to leverage the ability to listen to music without any outside interruption. Now, when it comes to the unboxing, you're getting some eco-friendly materials, and I do appreciate the fact that they keep their packaging plastic free. And so we're going to be first greeted with the earphone case with the earbuds inside, eco-friendly packaging, which states PAP21. You're also going to be getting your user manual inside, in addition to some other literature. Now, the booklet contains everything you need to know about the earphones, which we're going to be talking about later on in the video. So make sure you guys stay locked in with me. But I definitely am looking forward to checking these out and explaining some of the features that these are going to offer. And so the user guide is going to explain how to wear them, also the charging and powering off, the dual connection support, the manual pairing modes, and all of the touch controls. But the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC are a really special earphone, and I'm going to get into why I believe that these will be the best for the money. But inside of the box, you're going to be getting the charging cable, which is Type C to Type A, and it's a short cable. You're also going to be getting your 3 additional ear tips, so you can customize your fit to your personal preference, made of a silicone material with the eco-friendly cover on the outside of the case. And we're going to get in more detail about the adaptive ANC 2.0, which utilizes both in-ear and external sound sensors that's going to analyze and adjust instantaneously for both the external environment and the user's ear canal in real time, providing superior noise cancellation experience. And so these are going to be that stem style earbud, and the reason stem style earbuds have taken over the industry is because the design is just very, practical. And when it comes to using these for the microphones, it's going to increase that sound quality. But first you would remove the stickers from both of the stems so that you can actually link them to the charging case. And the charging case is going to be extremely special in my opinion, not only because it has the wireless charging feature with that little light that has an ambient mode on it, so you can actually see the little LED blink. But the second feature about the case is that it has a button. And so every time you hit that button located on the outside of the case above the Soundcore logo, it's going to engage the earphone case to open, allowing you to gain access quickly and very effortlessly when it comes to listening to the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. And so these are going to be competing with the likes of companies like Apple and Samsung because they're going to be introducing so many features packed inside of these. They're going to also offer a really easy and friendly user experience. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is me talking with the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. This is a quick microphone test to give you an idea of what the microphones sound. I actually have some background noise that I'm going to play right now. But let me know how it sounds with just the microphones with no interference from any outside sources. And then I'm going to go ahead and press play, put this up to max volume to test out how these sound when there's background noise. All right, guys, so that's all the way up. I have it right next to my face. So you can see I'm talking through the microphones, and this is to give you just an idea of what it would sound like if you were next to a window or in the public where you hear a lot of street noise, cars, ambient noise from the outside environment. But let me know what you guys think about the microphones. Now, let me actually turn this off. And this is what it would sound like when you're doing a voice call in outdoors and indoors situations. So let me know what you guys think about the microphones, okay? And so the earphones are sitting at a 45-degree angle inside of the magnetic case, which allows you to quickly remove them. And one of the things I like about this design is that the side is made of a different material than the rest of it, which is a glossy material. And they have this really nice ergonomic shape. And the earphones are very lightweight and easy to hold on to, so they don't feel like they're going to slip outside of the hand, even though they are glossy. But I definitely think that this is going to provide a really nice, comfortable fit for long listening sessions. And we're going to get into the battery life of these earphones in a little bit, but do me a quick solid. If you're still here, just type in the comment section down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me and rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm, okay? And so another benefit to the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC is the fact that they come with their own app, which allows you to easily scan the barcode from inside of the instruction manual. And so you're going to be up and running within less than 5 minutes when it comes to using these. And it's a really straightforward and easy pairing process. And so after you get the app up and running on the Apple or Android device that you're using, you're going to see that you have a full variety of customizable features that's going to allow you to enjoy the listening experience even more. And so not only are you going to be getting full customization with the EQ settings inside of the application, but they have Hear ID sound, which allows you to actually customize them for the betterment of the listening experience. And so quite frankly, when it comes to the overall package of the Soundcore Liberty NC, these have every single feature that you actually need on a daily basis. Now, when it comes to actually putting these in for the very first time, it's actually a very comfortable experience because they basically sit in the ear canal without any discomfort. And one of the things that I like is that these earphones are going to give you the ability to actually have full customization of the touch controls on each side of the headphones. And so with the Liberty 4 NC app, it's going to give you the ability to have adaptive noise cancellation, environmental detection, which is going to basically automatically set the earphones to the right sound stage when you're outdoors automatically, which is very awesome because you don't have to actually do that yourself. The earphones will automatically do it for you. And these also have the transparency mode as well. And so the earphones have 5 different levels of ANC, allowing you to block even more of the environment or increase or decrease it at your own discretion. And you do get full customization of the touch controls through the app so that you can actually manipulate it to your own personal preference. And so I did add the widget to my home screen, which allowed you to do that even more easily because now instead of opening the app, you could just do it straight from your home screen. And so it gives you pretty much every single toggle that you would need to customize them on the go without actually opening the app because it's going to be on your home screen. And these have in-ear detection, so as soon as you take them out of the ear, the music is going to stop automatically. And so I like the presets that these offer because if you're not the type of person who's experienced with manipulating the EQ levels, they do have some preset listening modes, which will give you full range of how you want to listen to your music based on the genre of music that you're listening to. And so another useful feature in the Soundcore app is the 3D surround sound. So if you go to sound mode and you select 3D surround sound, it's going to actually give you a more immersive listening experience. So you're going to feel like you're surrounded by the music in every single direction. And so the 3D surround sound will actually process data in real time, increasing the power consumption, but it's going to also decrease the overall playtime. Jumping into the transparency mode, this is a really cool feature because it's going to allow you to listen to the music outdoors while still being able to hear your environment. And it has a fully transparent mode or a vocal mode, but the noise cancellation mode is going to be very customizable because it has manual mode, which allows you to minimize or maximize the ANC, but it also gives you transportation mode, which gives you the ability to set it for airplanes, buses, trains, or using it in a car. And so another thing that I like about these headphones is that they allow you to pair two devices simultaneously at the same time, so that if you get a phone call on one device, you could switch between both of the devices simultaneously. And I found that with the dual connection mode on these earphones, it was really clutch because I usually carry two smartphones on a single day. And so if I would listen to music on one of them and then receive a phone call on the other, I actually don't have to unpair the headset from the device. It automatically allows you to answer the phone call on the other device without having to unpair them. And so another really friendly feature is the safe volume mode, which actually tracks the decibel reading, refresh rate in real time, so that while you're listening to the headphones, it'll read the current headphone volume, which will protect you from, ear damage and long time exposure to high volumes. But do me a quick solid. If you're still here, just type in the comment section, "I'm still here," so I know you're still kicking it with me and rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so that we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay? And so another thing to note is that these headphones will give you 11mm drivers that support LDAC decoding, as well as SBC and AAC. And so you get about 10 hours of playtime on a single charge and 50 hours of playtime with the wireless charging case. So these gonna give you 11mm drivers. And so I definitely think that these are gonna have a really great sound stage when it comes to watching movies, listening to music, and even playing games, because the video is gonna match the audio and there's not gonna be any delay when it comes to gaming or watching movies. And so the Liberty 4 NC is currently being shipped on June 29th, which is actually today, for $99. And so I could definitely say that these headphones are going to be a game changer when it comes to the features to performance ratio and the price ratio for the price, because you're going to be getting all of the features that you need, like wireless charging, ANC and transparency mode, the app for the EQs, and a whole lot more. But let me know what you guys think about the Soundcore Liberty 4 NCs, and I'll get back with you in the comment section. I'll check you guys in the next video. But if you made it to the end of the video, just type down below, "I'm still here," so I know you're still rocking with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button. Okay? I'll get back with you later, crew. Peace.